kaya Tagalog? Tagalog daw ang gusto ni Mrs. Ano bang Tagalog? Gusto mo yung ano? Panapanahon? Okay, sige. Ano ba pa? Iba ng panahon. Kanlungan. Okay, sige. Request ni Mrs. Kanlungan. Ano bang chords ng Kanlungan? Panapanahon. Nakapo. Kaya ko yung nakapo. Nakapo ako sa second floor. Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, babalik ba ang kahapon? Tatandaan mo pa ba? Wait. Feliz Navidad. Pagkatapos maglalasan daw ako, Feliz Navidad. Tapos reklamo, thank you, thank you. Wait, tinitipla ko muna yung gitara ko. Oh, wag na ano, wag ko na lagyan ng kapo kasi mataas na may kapo. Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, ibabalik ba ang kahapon? Tatandaan mo pa ba? Mababa na masyado. Wait lang, ang hirap naman ng request ni Mrs. Wait. Take two tayo, take two. Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, babalik ba ang kahapon? Tatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dalawa ay unang magkita? Panahon ng kamusmusan, sa piling ng mga bulaklak, halaman, doon tayo nagsimula, mangarap at tumula. Tatandaan mo pa ba? Lukit kong puso sa punong mangga, ang inalay kong gumabela, magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang ngunita ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno't halaman ay kabiyak ng ating gunita. Sa paglipas ng panahon, bakit kailangan ating lumisan? Panahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Yung ikaw ay nagbalik, tulad ko rin ang iyong pananabik, makita ang dating kanlungan, tahanan ng ating tulad, pangarap ngayon ay naglaho na, sa hanahanapin pa. Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita. Ang mga puno't halaman, bakit kailangan lumisan? Panahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita. Ang mga puno't halaman, bakit kailangan lumisan? Panahon ng pagkakataon, ay babalik ba ang kahapon? Feliz Navidad. From From Noel Cabangon, Dasot Panapanon. Hindi mo naman. Kanlungan. Una ko narinig yun sa LA 105.9. Raw music pa siya nun. Ba't di na ka? Okay, happy anniversary. Love you too. Ba't daw ako minto? Hindi naman ako naminto, di ba guys? Minto ba ako? Hindi naman. That was kanlungan or panapanahon. Let's try this one. Let's do this. This is the scientist. Try ko din mag-live sa Facebook. This is from the scientist. This is the scientist. Live na ba ako sa Facebook? Hindi pa. Kaya pala. This is the scientist. Hello to all sa mga nanonood sa session sa YouTube. Hello sa inyo. Tapos naka-ba ako sa Facebook. Shout out all. This is from Coldplay. Tatlo. Nakalive ka sa tatlo. This from Coldplay. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secret and ask me your question. Oh, let's go back to the start. Running in a circle, chasing a tail, head over science apart. Nobody said it what he said. It's just a shame for us to fight. Nobody said it what he said. No one ever said this would be the end. Oh, take me back to the start. I was just guessing numbers and figures, pulling the puzzle apart. Questions of science, science and progress do not speak loud as my heart. Tell me you love me, come back and haunt me. Oh, I rush to the start, running in circles, chasing up tails, coming back as we are. Nobody said it what he said. It's just a shame for us to part. Nobody said it what he said. No one said it would be this hard. I'm going back to the start. Shout out sa mga nasa session. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Don't forget to tap the stars at the party section, please. At yung mga nasa YouTube, hello po sa inyong lahat. Yung mga nasa Facebook, hello po din sa inyo. Baka gusto nyo mag-request ng song, kung kaya ko, kakantayin ko siya. Baka may live chat ba? Kung may gusto kayong song, request lang. Kung kaya ko, kantahin. Pag hindi ko kaya, pass. Pag gusto nyo magbigay ng Gcash, meron din. Anniversary live. Anniversary namin ni Mrs. ngayon. Kaya nag-live ako sa session. Hello to FS, to Liza, to Rich Good, to Michael, to Bell, to Guitar Worship, to Enrico, to Jazel, to Session Max, hello po sa inyo. Sino pa? Kay Hani. Hindi ko na ano yung ibang chat sa session. Babasa. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to my session. I am JLR. Please don't forget to tap the stars on the party section, please. Don't hesitate to request a song. Gusto niyo ng pamasko? Yung gusto magbigay ng Gcash, bibigay sa inyo. Gcash to. Joke lang. Joke. Next song natin is from Rico Blanco. This Untalking. Hindi ko alam yung intro niya. Kaya chords na lang. Pasensya. Hindi ako kasi galing nung panganay ko. Yung panganay ko kasi magaling mag-gitara. Feel free to comment yung gusto nyong kanta. Pag alam ko, kakantayin ko. Pag hindi ko siya alam, pass mo na. This is Untalking by Rico Blanco. Iniwan ka na ng eroplano. Okay lang baby, huwag kang magbago. Dito ka lang bumili sa aking piling at tugin. Kukupitan lang kita. Sorry, wala ka na magagawa. Mahalin na lang ako ng sobra-sobra para patas naman tayo, diba? Sasalubungin natin ang kinabukasan nang walang takot at walang pangamba. Tadhana'y meron din na makapangyarihan. Kung ayaw may dahilan, kung gusto palaging merong paraan. Pinaiyakan ng manghuhula. Di na daw tayo magkasamang tatanda. Buti na lang merong langit na nagtatanggol sa pag-ibig na positino't matyaga. Sasalubungin natin ang kinabukasan nang walang takot at walang pangamba. Tadhana'y merong din na makapangyarihan. Kung ayaw may dahilan, kung gusto palaging merong paraan. Long as we stand as one, ano man ang ating mabangga, nothing will ever break us. Wala talaga, as in wala. subukan na lang natin ang kinabukasan ng buong loob at yayakapin pa. Adhana'y medyo overrated kung minsan. Kung ayaw may dahilan, kung gusto palaging merong paraan. Gumawa na lang tayo ng paraan. Gumawa na lang tayo ng paraan. Gumawa na lang tayo ng baby. Gumawa na lang tayo ng paraan. That was a token from Rico Blanco. Hello to all of you. Hello from the people who are watching the session. Pero nabubulol na ako. Yung mga nasa YouTube, hello po sa inyo lahat. At yung mga nasa Facebook, shout out, shout out. May comment ba? Kasi hindi ko nakikita yung comment sa Facebook. Wait, try ko siyang tignan. Kung meron. Baka may comment. Wait. Hindi ko siya makita. Wait lang po. Ay, ba't tayo malis? Ano? Ayun, may comment nga. Sino yung nag-comment? Pwede, how did you know? Sabi ni Ate Maria de la Cruz. Okay, how did you know? Wait. Hanapit ko yung how did you know. How did you know daw? Kaya mo kaya? How did you know? Gusto mo nang magbigay sa Gcash? Wait. How did you know? Hello po sa mga nasa session, nasa YouTube. Yung mga nasa session, please don't forget to tap the stars on the party section and don't hesitate to request a song. Try ko yung how did you know. Try lang, Ate Maria. Ate. I remember so well. Ito ba yun? Hindi ko siya masyadong alam, pero try ko. I remember so well the day that you came into my life. Parang taas. As for my name, you had the most beautiful smile. Yun ba yun? Wait, hanapin ko yung bababa niya. Siya matas dito sa D. Wait lang ah. Remember so well the day that you came into my life. As for my name, you had the most beautiful smile. Try ko sa E. Take two. Remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name, you had the most beautiful smile. Life started to change. Wake up each day, feeling alright. You right by my side, make me feel will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my heart. You gave the right time in my life. Never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life, and to do worries peace that I guess what I really trying to say is that every day that someone like you would express how much I love you. Sinira ko yung kanta. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my heart. You gave the right time in my life. I'd never forget how you brought the sun in my life, and took the worries and peace that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to see, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. Ganun ba yun? Pasensya na, Ate Maria. Sinira ko yung kanta mo. Pasensya na. Hello to session. Yung mga nanonood sa session, please huwag niyong kalimutan i-press yung star. Shoutout dun sa mga nasa Facebook. How did you know? Tapos how did you know? Sa YouTube? YouTube, meron bang comments sa YouTube? Wala yata. Di ko kasi nabubukas yung YouTube. Di ko nakabukas. Please, it tells me a lot pag pinines yung star sa session. Try ko ulit kung meron. Wala. Isang comment lang. Tapos na siya. Wala na bang ibang comments? iba tawag doon. Ibang request ng kanta. This for free. Nanonood ba sa Facebook? Kasi nabubuksan ko lang yung Facebook ko sa browser. Hindi ko lang kung may nanonood. This for free is love of my life. Happy anniversary sa aking asawa. Aisha. Para sa kanya. Para sa iyo. Kanina yung through the years, I don't know love of my life. Love of my life, you hurt me. You broken my heart, and now you leave me. Love of my life, you see. Bring it back, bring it back. Don't take it away from me, because you don't know what it means to me. Love of my life, don't leave me. You're singing my life, and now deserve. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, bring it back. Don't take it away from me, because you don't know what it means to me. You will remember when this is blown over, everything's all by the way. When I grow older, I will be there at your side to remind you I will still love you. I still love you. Very bad, very bad. Please bring it back home to me, because you don't know what it means to me. Love of my life, love of my life. Ooh, yeah. That was from Queen, Love of My Life. Hello to all the people on session. Please don't forget to tap the stars on the party section. If you have a request, go to Song tab and make a request there, or just send a message. Yung mga nasa YouTube, ganun din po sa inyo ba? Gusto nyo mag-post sa comment lang. Yung mga nasa Facebook. May comment ba? Comments. Comments pala, hindi comment. Tignan. Wala ka na ba ibang request, Ate Maria? Gusto mo yung thank you din sa request. Puro love song. This next song is from Toto, I Won't Hold You Back. Happy anniversary dun sa asawa ko. Baka magalit. Nanonood siya. Hindi ko siya binabati. Happy 22 wedding anniversary sa'yo. May festival na pala ako sa session sa December 18. Energia Festival. 8:30 p.m. Pilipinas. 7:30 p.m. Pilipinas time. 8:30 dito. 15 minutes lang siya. This is from Toto. This is I Won't Hold You Back. If I had another chance tonight, I try to tell the things that we were right. Time can erase the love we share, but it gives me time to realize just how much you care. Now you go, really know to say. I guess I held myself to blame. Time can erase the things we said, but it gives me time to realize that you won't stay. No, I won't hold you back now. The love we had just can't be. least that you were mine. Sigh, can erase the love we share, but it gives me time to realize just how much you care. You know I won't hold you back now. The love we had just can't be bound. No, I can't hold you back now. No, I won't hold you back now. The love we had just can't be bound. No, I can't hold you back now. No, I won't hold you back now. I won't hold you back by Toto. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Kay FS, kay Liza pala. Kay Michael T, kay Bell Barcelo, kay Guitar Worship, kay Enrico, Epic Music, kay Hazel, kay Jessel. Hindi ko na nakababasa yung iba sa session. Please don't forget to tap the stars on the party section, please. At yung mga nasa YouTube, mga nanonood, baka gusto nyo mag-comments. Di ba? Gusto nyo mag-request. Post lang ng comments. At yung nasa Facebook, shoutout sa inyo lahat. Tignan ko muna kung merong request doon sa Facebook. Kung may nanonood pa. Meron pala nanonood. Hello sa inyo dalawang nanonood. At yung mga nasa YouTube, yun. Mga nanonood pa ako. Listen pala yung comments. Yun pala, nabig siya. Umalab sa live mo. Pag nasa. Next song. Next song. Chocolate Factory version. This I don't wanna talk about it. Pero hindi ko siya i-reggae. I don't wanna talk about it. Hindi ako nang pag-usapan pa sa Tagalog. Ingin ang upuan ko na. Guys, please don't forget to tap the stars on the party section, please. When you have a request, just go to the song tab index sa session or make a comments or message. This is I Don't Wanna Talk About It by Rod Stewart. Parang kahit ko siya ng Mr. Suave. I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying for a while, and the stars in the sky so mean nothing to you. There are mirrors. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. It was there just a little bit longer. It was there, won't you listen to my heart? was there all alone with the shadows and the colors of my heart. Blue for the tears, black for the night, with the stars in the sky. Don't mean nothing to you, there are heroes. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. It was there just a little bit longer. It was there, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart, to my heart. Oh, my heart. Talk about it, how you broke my heart. It was there just a little bit longer. It was there, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart, to my heart. Chocolate Factory version. Hindi, yung chords niya, ginamit ko yung sa Chocolate Factory. Hello po sa inyong lahat na nanonood. May nanonood pa ba? Or may comment ba? May request ba? Wiwiwi na ako. Gusto ko na magwiwi. Maglalasong na kaya. Last song na siguro. No? Wiwiwi na. Oh, so young. Hello to you. Why are you on YouTube? So young. 안녕하세요, so young. I'm also live on session, Soyang, and on Facebook. Pamak ba sa'yo? Soyang? Na ilmani sa'yo ay bago Onol man, onol ilap sa'yo. Papa. Soyang, ano nga sa'yo? Hello to you, Soyang. Soyang is a Korean. Ajik. Ne, ajik. Jadut. Yumu. Lagasumda. Nato, onul man, nail ilisoyo. Nail to, wayu, il. Jadut. Soyang. 언제 페스티벌 있어요? 미안합니다. I cannot, or if I don't go to your festival, I'm so very busy. Sorry, 미안합니다. I will do a last song for Soyang. Soyang, this is for you. I will sing. What will I sing? This is for Soyang. This is my last song for tonight. Go back. For Soyang. Santiago, 내 마음을 타고 이다른 마두개 너무 아름다워 너를 향해 가는데 사랑에게 몰아서 못하고 빅스에게 지금 이 순간은 바로 그 순간이야 새 마음 모두를 숨겨 My last song for today. Hello to all of you. Good evening. Hello to Soyang. Nasa YouTube. To Soyang. This is for you, Soyang. 준비하고 맘도 믿자고 눈을 감아야만 너무 무서워 보여 눈을 숨고 하는데 Why you get mad? Oh baby I see you close yourself. But the problem is me. And then I got you fell out of love. And I'm sorry. Something wrong with me. And you don't seem to disagree when I say go away. Is that really what I wanted to say? Everything I said is like I lost inside my head. I love you, but it's true. But I know the things that I do, baby, I'm crazy. There's something wrong with me, but you don't know what's right to be beautiful, wonderful. You made me crazy, baby. No, no, I'm crazy for you. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Bye-bye po sa lahat. Bye to all. Bye, Soyang. Soyang. Bye-bye. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you for dropping by, Soyang. And all to the people who are watching on session. Salamat po sa inyo lahat. At yung mga nasa Facebook, bye-bye po. Bye-bye. And broadcast. Luwang unahin ko get broadcast. Dami nakabukas ko.